Hello to my viewers. Today's topic is about addition and subtraction of radicals. This maths is intended for grade 9 and to those students who are majoring in mathematics. I have here number 1, 8 cube root of 2a plus 3 cube root of 2a minus 8 cube root of 2a. I need to combine this one because they are positive. So 8 plus 3 is 11 cube root of 2a. And then minus 8 cube root of 2a. Okay, this one, 11 minus 8. This is 3. Then cube root of 2a. So this is now the answer for number 1. 3 cube root of 2a. Now let's proceed to number 2. Number 2, I have 5 square root of a squared plus 7 square root of a minus 4 square root of a. Okay, this one, 5 square root of a squared, that is equal to a, plus this one. We can combine this one because they have the same square root of a. 7 minus 4 is 3 square root of a. So that is the answer for number 2. Then how about number 3? Number 3, 5 square root of 20 plus square root of 24 minus 7 square root of 54 plus square root of 180. So I need to split this one. Split. So 5 square root of 4 times 5. Take note, there must be square in here for 20, 24, 54, and 180. So this will be square root of 4 times 6 minus perfect square in here. So this will be 9 times 6. How about 180? 180 is 36 times 5. So this will be square root of 4 is 2. So 5 times 2. And then I have here square root of 5. Then square root of 4 is 2. Then square root of 6. Minus 7. Square root of 9 is 3. Then I have square root of 6 in here. Plus square root of 36 is 6. Then I have square root of 5. This is 10 square root of 5 plus 2 square root of 6. This is 7 times 3 is 21 square root of 6. Then plus square root of 5. Then I need to combine all square root of 5. So I have here 10 square root of 5. Then this one plus 6 square root of 5. Then copy the square root of 6 plus 2 square root of 6. Then minus 21 square root of 6. So combine this one, 10 plus 6. So this will be 16 square root of 5. Then this one, 2 minus 21. So I need subtraction for here because this is unlike sign. So addition and then subtraction. So 21 minus 2 is 19. So take note, 21 is having negative sign. So this will be minus. Minus 19. 19 square root of 6. So that is number 3 answer. Now let's proceed to number 4. Number 4 is 3 square root of 2 plus 5 square root of a squared. Then plus 7 square root of 2 minus 3 cube root of 2. So I need to copy this one and then combine this one because square root of 2 square root of 2. So this will be 10 square root of 2. And then this one will be square root of a squared is a. So I have 5a. And then just copy this one. 3 minus 3 cube root of 2. Okay, this is the answer for number 4. Now let's proceed to number 5. Number 5, 6 cube root of 135 minus 2 cube root of 81. So I need to split this one 3 times. There is a cube root in here and also 81. So cube root of factor 135. So perfect cube 27, because 27 is 3 times 3 times 3. So cube root of 27 is 3. So times 5. Then minus 2. Then perfect cube for 81 is 27 times 3. So 6 cube root of 27 is 3. Then I have here cube root of 5 minus cube root of 27 is 3. So I have here 2 times 3. Then cube root of 3. So 6 times 3 is 18. Then cube root of 5 minus 6. Then I have cube root of 3. So that is number 5. Now let's proceed to number 6. Number 6, 7 square root of 6 minus 3 square root of 24 plus 150 square root, So this will be, just copy because there is no perfect square for 6. 7 square root of 6. And then I need to factor 24. So 4 and 6. How about 150? Should be 125 times 6. So 7 square root of 6. This will be square root of 4 is 2. Then square root of 6 plus square root of 25 is 5. Square root of 6. Combine positive. So this will be 12 square root of 6. Then this one will be minus 6 square root of 6. 12 minus 6 is 6 square root of 6. Now let's go to number 7. Number 7 will be, I think this will be the last number. 3 square root of 20 minus 3 square root of 45. Then plus 4 square root of 50. So I need to factor this one, also 45 and 50. So 3 square root of 4 and 5, that is 20. Then second, 45 is 9 times 5 plus 4 square root of 25. 25 times 2. So this will be 3 square root of 4. This is 2 square root of 5 minus 3 square root of 9 is 3 square root of 5. Then plus 4 square root of 25 is 5. Then square root of 2. Combine this one. 6 square root of 5. This will be 9 square root of 5 plus this one is 20 square root of 2. 6 minus 9. So I need subtraction. 9 minus 6. So this will be 3 square root of 5. The sign must be negative because 9 is having negative sign. Just copy this one. 20 square root of 2. So that's all for today's topic.